And blessed, fantasy world here, bless up. Big up on yourself, respect, yeah? Be there. Big up. Yo, right now, to them, I chat about Batman, you see me? Look on my chest, shirt, props. Yo, this is the one thing that I'm gonna say, yeah? All of the people that making the Batman movie, them, yeah? I waste so much money on this Batman movie, them, yeah? I'm tired to come to the cinema and waste my money on this Batman movie. And they're not good. And I'm especially pissed off because I bring my son there. Understand? I'm vexed with that Superman Man of Steel movie as well. I'm vexed with it. Imagine me bringing my young son to that film and just to watch Superman kill somebody. Superman don't kill. You understand? He don't do them thing there. He's not a bad man. He ain't Lex Luthor. But anyway, back to Batman. I'm telling you. If you don't make another... Yo, I swear. Is my man named Ben Affleck or whoever on the name, Warner Brother or whoever on the name, yeah? I'm a fan. Stop messing with the stuff. See it there? I buy the content. I'm wearing the shirt. You know what I mean? No one ever give me this for free. I want to make sure that you make a good Batman movie, Bridget. You know what I mean? I'm so frustrated with you all. If you understand, if you want somebody to write a good story, just call me. You understand? Just call me, man. Everybody got talent. Don't underestimate nobody. Call me. Because I can't understand why you can't make a little good Batman movie. When I was a little you watching the cartoon them we used to watch. Back into the early 90s. Way better than these movies. I don't understand this. It's rubbish. You understand? It's rubbish. You understand? After Christian Bale make them good Batman movie there, is this what it come to? How did it come to this? You understand? The new franchise, shake up yourself. You know what I mean? I'm still with you, but I'm not for you. Trust me. You understand? I'm gonna burn it now. You understand? I love drawing the characters. I love it. Everything. You people, don't stop playing with people. You know what I mean? People care about this. You understand? I know it's fantasy, but yeah. You know what I mean? Fantasy world, so we deal with these things. You understand? Because music, everything, everybody create a persona. You understand? Yeah? Because we don't know, say, all Beanie Man is not a Beanie Man. He's a big man. You understand? We know, say, merciless, not merciless. If you understand, that's lyrically we talk how the thing set are. You don't know the thing set. We mix subject because of the same one channel. You don't know the thing set. But I have to make one good Batman film for my money. Yeah, I'm so vexed with you all. You understand? I'm gonna try one more time with this Justice League film. Yeah? And then if you people don't decide to make a good Batman film, yeah, I swear. You see this shirt, yeah? I will burn it. And I'll post it on my YouTube channel. I swear down. You understand what I mean? Yeah? Or I'll give away this shirt. But yeah, anyway, I want to see Batman really, you know, break free, kick some ass and them thing there, you know what I mean? Yeah, do the real do that Batman do. He's quite intelligent as well. So you don't have to worry about him beating up people all the time. I'm tired of watching him just beat up people, man. Let him be intelligent. You understand? You have to explore that part of the mythos. Yeah? So yeah. You know what I mean? But I want to see a good Batman film. Don't joke around with the thing. I'm tired to go to the cinema and pay my money. You understand? And you know what? If you think I'm joking, hold on, I might just go and look for some old ticket that I have. I tell you, because I keep them, man, just to prove that I go there, because I'm not even joking with the thing. I support the industry. Industry support me. Make a good movie, you understand? For me and my son to come out and watch, yeah? So, yeah, stop messing with my money, yeah, Warner Brother, yeah? I'm tired to invest into you, and then you guys let me down, yeah? So, shout out to the Justice League film. No hard feelings. Over and out. You don't know. We just want good movies. Good movies. Good movies. Why invest millions of dollars into something if it's not going to be good? What's the point? That's what I want to know. Anybody can answer that for me out there, please. Yeah, I'm willing to listen because I don't understand why. Anyway, over and out. Peace and love. One time, Fantasy World Call. Just a quick little update on Batman, you know what I mean? Because upcoming Justice League film, and I don't want it to be rubbish. I can't bother with the rubbish. Tired to go and watch rubbish in the cinema, man. Thinking that it's going to be good like in the 90s when I was growing up. So, yeah. Over and out.